Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Cheng with Empire Eye and Laser Center. A cataract is a hazing of the lens inside of the eye, and cataract surgery involves me removing that cataract and replacing it with a clear lens implant. Now, the lens implant like this one is made up of plastic called hydrophobic acrylic, which means it's soft, it's foldable, it's a single piece that goes into the eye and it opens on its own. Now, the implant not only gives you clear vision, but it also can allow me to set your vision at different distances. With a basic implant such as this one, I can set it at distance, but depending on whether you still have astigmatism, you may still need glasses for distance, but most of the time you will need glasses for up close. Now, if you would like to wear your glasses less, there are other implant options like a range of focus lens. With this, not only can you see distance, such as TV and driving, but you can also see intermediate, such as your face in the mirror, your dashboard, your computer, and up close, such as reading your phone. With a range of focus lens, if you have astigmatism, which means your eye is oblong shaped like a football instead of round like a basketball, I do have toric versions that can allow me to correct that astigmatism as well. So if you think you have cataracts, start considering what lens implant options you may want, because that's going to impact how much you would need glasses after surgery.